Doctors treat stomach problems every day. But the truth is, most stomach problems don't start in hospitals. They start in the small habits of our daily lives. Eating too fast, ignoring the signals our body sends, and not listening when our stomach quietly asks for help. Sometimes the solution isn't complicated medicine. Sometimes it's simple, natural habits that can help your stomach heal itself. In this video, you'll discover what your stomach has been trying to tell you and how a few small changes can completely transform your digestion and your health. And stay with me until the end, because later in this video, I'll show you a simple morning drink that can support your stomach naturally, and the way you prepare it actually matters. Many people think stomach discomfort is just normal digestion. But what if your stomach is actually trying to tell you something? Let me ask you something. Have you ever felt gas, heaviness, or bloating after eating, even when the food seemed perfectly normal? If that has happened to you, your stomach might already be sending you signals. Many of us experience stomach discomfort almost every day. Gas, heaviness, bloating, or that strange burning feeling. And most of the time, we ignore it. We tell ourselves, it's nothing, it will go away. But deep down, our body is trying to speak to us. The problem is, we have become so busy in life that we have almost forgotten how to listen to our own body. Our body is always sending signals. And the stomach is one of the first organs that quietly tells us whether we are treating our body with care or with neglect. Think about your daily routine for a moment. Rushing in the morning, skipping breakfast because you are late, eating quickly while looking at your phone, drinking cold water immediately after meals. Maybe you have done these things many times. Maybe all of us have. These habits may look small, but over time they slowly disturb your digestion, and the stomach starts sending signals. Sometimes through gas, sometimes through heaviness, sometimes through pain. But instead of understanding the signal, we ignore it. And here's something interesting. Most people think stomach problems only come from bad food. But the real reason is often a daily habit we repeat without even noticing. Science says something fascinating. Your stomach is often called the second brain of the body. Inside your digestive system, there is a complex network of nerves called the enteric nervous system. This system contains millions of nerve cells that help control digestion. In fact, the stomach and brain constantly communicate through something called the gut-brain axis. This means your stomach doesn't just digest food. It can influence your mood, your emotions, and even your stress levels. Have you ever noticed something interesting? Before an exam, before an important meeting, or when you suddenly feel nervous, your stomach feels strange. Sometimes tight, sometimes uncomfortable, sometimes like butterflies inside. That's because your brain and stomach are deeply connected. Your stomach is not just digesting food, it is also reacting to your emotions. In today's fast world, everything moves quickly. We eat quickly, we think quickly, we move quickly. But digestion does not work in a hurry. Your stomach needs calmness. It needs time, and it needs proper habits. Sometimes the smallest changes in your routine can make the biggest difference. And remember the simple stomach drink I mentioned earlier. In a moment, I'll show you exactly how to make it. But first, let's understand the daily habits that support your stomach. Never eat too fast. Take your time and chew your food properly. Digestion actually begins in your mouth, not in your stomach. Avoid drinking too much water during meals. Instead, drink water 1 hour before eating or 30 minutes after your meal.
because when you drink too much water while eating, it can dilute your stomach acid. And when stomach acid becomes weaker, digestion becomes slower. Avoid lying down immediately after eating. Instead, try to walk slowly for 10 to 15 minutes after a meal. Even a small walk can support digestion. Stress and anxiety can also affect your stomach more than we realize. Your stomach can actually feel your stress. That's why digestion becomes slower when you are anxious or worried. Practice deep breathing for 5 minutes whenever you feel stressed. Sleep properly. Reduce caffeine and junk food. Eat more fiber-rich foods that support digestion. And try to drink lukewarm water instead of cold water, especially in the morning.
Many experts suggest starting your day with lukewarm water. Before we continue, there's one more simple tip that most people ignore, but it can make a surprising difference for digestion. But first, let's talk about the drink I mentioned earlier. Sometimes the most powerful remedies are not expensive medicines. They are simple, natural ingredients that have been used in homes for generations. Here is a simple, stomach-supporting drink. Take warm water at night. Add 2 small pieces of ginger and half a teaspoon of cumin seeds. Leave it in the water overnight. In the morning, warm the water slightly and add half a teaspoon of honey. Drink it on an empty stomach. You can also mix fennel seeds and cumin seeds with a little sugar and eat it after meals. Try this for 7 days and notice how your stomach feels. I'm not here to sell you anything. I simply want to help you understand your body better. Because when you understand your body, you naturally start taking better care of it. Every body is different. Listen to your body and move slowly with changes that feel right for you. Your stomach works silently every single day, breaking down food, protecting your body from harmful bacteria, and absorbing nutrients that keep you alive. And the amazing thing is, it does all of this quietly, without asking for attention. But when we ignore it for too long, the same stomach that protects us can start struggling. And that's when real problems begin. Your stomach is not just a food processor. It is a signal system for your entire body. If you start listening to it, taking care of it, and respecting what it tells you, your whole body will thank you. Health is not about doing something extreme. It's about taking small care of your body every single day. And your body always rewards you for that. Maybe today is the day you start listening to your body. Take care of your stomach, and your stomach will take care of you. If you are someone who believes the body can heal naturally with the right habits and natural remedies, then you are in the right place. Subscribe to Science Opinion, and let's explore the hidden secrets of the human body together. Because when you truly understand your body, you start taking care of it the right way.